What if I told you these fresh mint leaves could stay fragrant for months, without chemicals, without preservatives, and without wasting a single leaf? One small jar, endless uses. Tea, desserts, yogurt, smoothies, salads, and every time you open it, your whole kitchen smells fresh. Honestly, I thought this would be difficult, but I succeeded on my very first try, and now I make it every few weeks. Next, wash the mint gently. Don't rub too hard. Mint leaves are delicate and lose their fragrance easily. But don't soak it too long. Too much water can slowly weaken that beautiful mint aroma. Now comes the most important part. Dry the mint completely. Even a little moisture can ruin the entire batch later. Line the air fryer basket with parchment paper. Then spread the mint into a thin layer. Here's the mistake most people make. They overload the basket. The outer leaves dry first, while the inside stays damp. That hidden moisture can cause mold later. Keep the temperature low. Around 80 to 90 degrees Celsius is perfect. After a few minutes, gently stir the leaves. You'll notice them slowly becoming lighter and drier. When the leaves crumble easily in your hand, they're ready. Don't grind them immediately. Let the mint cool first. This final step makes the leaves even crispier. Now the magic happens. Blend the mint in short bursts for a fine, fragrant powder. For extra smooth powder, sift it once and grind the larger pieces again. Store it in a completely dry glass jar with an airtight lid. Even tiny moisture can destroy the freshness. If stored properly, your mint powder can stay fragrant for up to 3 months. Add it to hot tea, yogurt, fruit, smoothies, salads, or even roasted potatoes. Sometimes the best kitchen tricks are the simplest ones. One bunch of mint turned into something useful, fragrant, and long-lasting. If this video helped you, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Easy Genius DIY, for more simple, budget-friendly kitchen ideas that actually work.